In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up and start recording with OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a versatile, free, and open source software that's often used for video recording and live streaming. Whether you're looking to record a tutorial, gameplay, or a live event, OBS Studio provides you with the tools needed for professional quality recording. So let's dive right in and get you started on your journey to capture amazing content. First things first, you'll need to open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it by doing a simple search on your preferred search engine and heading to the official OBS Studio website, where you can download the appropriate version for your operating system. Once you have OBS Studio installed and opened, you'll notice that the interface might look a bit daunting at first with all the different windows and options available. Don't worry, because we're going to break it down into manageable steps. Now direct your attention to the section called Sources at the bottom of the OBS Studio window. This is where all the magic happens, as it lets you choose what content you want to record or stream. To start, you're going to add a new source, so look for a small plus icon within the Sources box. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your recording layout. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with a variety of different sources to choose from. For our purpose today, you're going to select the window capture option. This is particularly useful if you intend to capture the content from a specific application or window on your computer. Once selected, a new window will appear asking you to name your window capture source. It's often a good idea to give it a clear and descriptive name, especially if you're going to have multiple sources in the future, so something like tutorial window would work perfectly. After you name and create your new window capture source, OBS will prompt you to choose which window you want to capture. Use the drop-down menu to select the window you wish to record. Make sure the correct window is displayed before moving on. Once you've made your selection, you should see a preview of the window in the main OBS Studio interface. You're almost ready to begin recording. Before that, double-check everything looks good on your preview, and then go ahead and locate the Start Recording button on the right-hand side of the interface. By clicking this button, OBS Studio will begin capturing everything displayed in your chosen window. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up OBS Studio to capture your window, and you're on your way to creating fantastic content. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.